Hello everybody. Welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Sabudana Khichdi. The usual complaint of most people is that Sabudana Khichdi turns sticky. But that's not going to be the case anymore if you follow our recipe.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification.
We have taken 1 cup Sabudana. We have taken 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, half a cup of peanuts which will be roasted, and we'll be using half after powdering and half as is, that is whole. And we have taken 1 medium sized potato, peeled off the skin and chopped them into small pieces. We've added them to water as they will otherwise discolor, and that is 1 teaspoon ginger finely chopped and 3 green chillies finely chopped. Then 2 tablespoons grated coconut, which is strictly optional, salt to taste, and sugar 1 teaspoon, which is again optional, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Let us begin by taking 1 cup sabudana or sago or tapioca. Let us put this 1 cup in a vessel. Add clean drinking water to this. We have used filter water to clean the sabudana and thoroughly rinse it with your hands. We need to rinse it at least 2 to 3 times. See, the water has turned milky white like this. We are going to throw this water away. This is the starch from the sabudana. This starch is also one of the main culprits in making the sabudana sticky. So we need to remove all the starch. This is our tip 1. Wash it thoroughly until the water runs clear. This will require at least 2 to 3 times of washing thoroughly. Once the starch is removed, one factor is removed from making the sabudana sticky. Wash again and again until the water runs clear. Now we are going to throw off the starchy water. Our sabudana is now clean. Now let us add 1 cup water to 1 cup sabudana that we have washed. This is our tip 2. Add equal number of cups. That is, if you have taken 1 cup sabudana, add 1 cup water. The proportion should be the same. Because now comes the tip number 3. That is, number of hours you have to soak it. We need to soak it at least for 4 hours. Because the more you soak it, the softer the sabudana will be and the easier it will be to cook it. So we soaked it overnight today, but you can also soak it for 4 hours. So this is tip number 3. Now next morning you can see how beautiful the sabudanas look, pearl-like. Each grain is separate from the other and they look so fresh and nice. This is how we want it. All the water has been absorbed. Yet we are again going to test it to see if there is any water remaining. And if any water is remaining, it will get drained now. So we are adding it to a strainer. We have kept it for 10 minutes in the strainer, but not a drop of water has come. This sabudana is now perfect to use for any recipe. Let us start by roasting the peanuts. So we have roasted the peanuts now, and after they have cooled, we have taken them in a mixer jar, half of them in a mixer jar, powdered them and kept the remaining half. Now let us heat 2 tablespoons ghee in a pan. When the ghee is hot, we are adding jeera or cumin seeds. And now it is the turn of the green chillies and ginger. Stir for about 15 seconds and then add in the chopped potatoes. Mix well and stir. Now let us cover and cook the potatoes for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on a very low flame. And when the potatoes are cooking, let us mix the peanut powder with the sabudana. Mix very gently, taking care not to break the sabudana. Now the potatoes, as we can see, are ready. So let us add in the sabudana and peanut mixture. We have lowered the flame and add in the roasted peanuts Mix gently. Stir for about a minute. Add some salt. Add sugar. Mix. And now we are going to cover and cook on a low flame for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, as you can see, our Sabudana Khichdi is done. Let us add in the lemon juice after switching off the flame. Add grated coconut. And now let us serve the Sabudana Khichdi. As you can see, this khichdi looks awesome. It is not at all sticky. You can see each and every pearl of sabudana so separate and nice. So just remember, you should not cook the sabudana too much because it will turn dense. 2 to 3 minutes is enough if you have soaked it as per our instructions. The covering and cooking for 2 to 3 minutes is enough. Garnish with some coriander leaves. Do follow this recipe to get the perfect Sabudana Khichdi. See you again with another recipe. Bye for now. Take care.